there, I'm Karen with Ageless Beauty Pro, and I'm a licensed esthetician, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about something that is more and more important to me as I grow older and wiser and voyage down my skincare journey. I wanted to talk to you about owning your own collagen. And the reason that I'm doing this is because over the years I've seen a real increase in women, young girls, men, in injections and fillers and things that I'm not opposed to. I am not opposed to that at all. But I'm just thinking, if you own your own collagen, then you don't have to be a slave to the dermatologist, right? Because if you're building your own collagen, you own it. You're not renting injections, you're not renting filler, you're not leasing it, which is what I consider you do. You Botox, injectable fillers, they're all fantastic. They work, wonders. They can help fill in little areas, correct asymmetry, they work immediately. But I do notice that there is a trend toward perhaps doing that in lieu of doing the work that is required to own your own collagen. So I think you can do both. I think if you want to have a little bit of a filler or a little help here and there, I don't have a problem with that. As I grow older, I realize I don't really want to be running to the dermatologist every 6 months and shelling out thousands of dollars a year. I would perhaps like to work to own my own collagen, and I have done that over the years as an esthetician. I have worked to learn different ways to build collagen and use the right products and tools, etc. And that has helped me along the way to being well over 50 and having decent skin and a good collagen buildup. I still have my sagging and my wrinkles and little areas that I work on and that of course I would like to help, but I do own a significant amount of collagen. And a couple of ways that I've done that is, of course, by using very good skincare products, doing good exfoliations over time so those products penetrate, which is very important. I introduced microneedling to my anti-aging arsenal a few years ago, and I have found that quite helpful. I do consistent microcurrent treatments, and those are amazing at helping to bring blood flow to Furman tone the skin, and they do help you build a little underlying collagen, as well as LED red light therapy, like with the tool like this, which I hold, around my face, especially around my lip area and my forehead, to build collagen consistently. So I just wanted to do a little video on that and perhaps food for thought for you on not renting some of that filler and some of that fullness, which ends up looking, let's face it, it looks filled in and fake after a while. And if you get it done and you are judicious and you have a very skilled person injecting you, then you can look amazing. And by doing your own work, by building your own collagen and a little help from the doctor now and then, I'm not opposed to that. But I just thought I'd throw that out for you to work on doing it yourself, and that way it's yours forever. And if you don't want to, run to the doctors, you don't have to. You can grow older gracefully. And I like to always say, aging is not about, or anti-aging is not about looking 25 when you're 50, and it's not about looking good for your age. I hate that. It's about looking good at your age. So just a little thing that I like to throw out there for you. And I invite you to join my Ageless Club, and if you're interested in microcurrent or any skincare tools or some really great products, I have some of those available. Or I'm happy to always talk to my members and answer their skincare questions. I send out some goodies every week and some good advice and tips and techniques that I've learned along the way on my anti-aging journey. So I invite you to join that. It's free at Ageless Beauty Pro. Thank you for watching.